Salma Hayek spoke about her pet owl curring to television host Ellen DeGeneres on The Ellen Show. Published on June 16, 2021, 8:33 p.m. IST. As far as funny pet stories go, this one shared by Salma Hayek about her pet owl curring is one you shouldn't miss. The actor was speaking to television host Ellen DeGeneres on The Ellen Show when she recalled an incident involving her owl and singer Harry Styles. A video of the chat is going viral online and chances are it'll leave you laughing out loud. During the chat, DeGeneres asks Hayek about living with an owl at home. "Aren't there droppings on expensive furniture?" the TV host asks. To this, the actor replies that while that happens, there's another thing the owl does that's worse. Salma Hayek goes on to mention that the owl regurgitates hairballs after its meals. She then narrates an incident in which the owl sat on Harry Styles' head and coughed up a hairball on top of him. Watch the hilarious video below. The funny video has collected several reactions from netizens. "I love Salma, she is just so cool. She's hilarious and real," reads a comment on YouTube. "Maybe he was expecting Harry Potter, not Harry Styles," a YouTube user commented. "Salma Hayek herself is so funny, and then add an owl and owl stories too. Love this," posted another. What do you think about this video? Close.